Hello friends, I am Akanksha Patil. Today we see keys and their types. First we will show introduction. In a mechanical engineering, a key is a machine element used to connect a rotating machine element to a shaft. The key prevents relative rotation between the two parts and may enable torque transmission. For a key, the functions, the shaft and rotating machine element must have a key away and key set, which is a slot and pocket in which the key fits. The whole system is called a key joint. Commonly key components includes gear, pulleys, coupling and washer. Types of key. There are five main types of keys: sun key, woodruff key, tangent key, spline key, broaching key. First we will see sun key. A sun key is a key in which half the thickness of the key fits into the key away on the shaft and the remaining half in the key away on the hub. Therefore, key away are required both on the shaft element. There are two types of sun key: square sun key, rectangular sun key. Uses of sun key. Square sun key are used in general industry machinery. Rectangular sun key flat keys and are more suitable for machine tool application. Second we will see saddle key. A saddle key is a key which fits in the key away of the hub only. In this case is no key away on the shaft. It is likely to slip round the shaft under load, therefore it is used for comparatively light loads. There are two types of saddle keys: hollow saddle key, flat saddle key. Resistance to slip in case of flat key is slightly more than the hollow key. Saddle key are suitable for light duty or low power transmission. Woodruff key. A woodruff key is an adjustable sun key in the form of a almost semicircular disc of uniform thickness. The key requires circular types of key away in the shaft. It can be used with the tap shaft because it aligns itself in the seat. The largest depth of a key away prevents the tendency of the key to slip over the shaft, but it weakens the shaft more than that by use of straight key. Uses of woodruff key. Woodruff key are used to improve the concentricity of the shaft for high speed operation. The main advantage of eliminating making a key away near areas that have stress. The material of woodruff key, like key steel and stainless steel, can be ordered online, but they can be found made of other things like aluminum. Tangent key. Tangent key are used in heavy duty equipments. Tangent key are actually a pair. These pair of keys are placed right angles to each other and tangent to the surface of the shaft, as shown in the figure. Each key will withstand the torsion in one direction only. Uses of tangent key. Tangent key are used in high torque heavy duty application. The key away is similar to parallel key except it extends tangentially out of the external shaft into internal shaft. The key may be wedge, rectangular or square shape, but particular rectangular double tapper keys are used. Spline key. Spline are ridged or teeth on a drive shaft that mesh with grooves in the mating piece of transfer torque to it, maintaining the angular correspondence between them. An alternative to splines is a key away and key. Through splines provide a longer fatigue life and can carry significantly greater torques for the size. Uses of spline key. Spline key are used in several places in bicycles. Spline key is commonly found in larger engines. Broaching key. Key seating, also known as key away broaching, is a machining process in which internal shapes and forms are cut using a reciprocating single point cutting tool similar to the shaping process. Uses of broaching key. The broaching process, similar to shaping with multiple teeth, used to machine internal and external surface such as holes of circular, square, or irregular shapes. Key away and teeth of internal gas. A broach is long multi-tooth cutting tool which successfully deeper cuts. Actual procedure we are followed. First of all, we asked our project guide about our project. We went in cyber cafe for collect the information. Then we started the making of project. Then we took all information about project. We collect all information about keys and their types. We went in cyber cafe for preparing our project report. Conclusion: we have discussed about keys and their types. We deeply study about this topic. We very well known about keys and their types. We learn uses of keys in mechanical field. Skill development, teamwork, leadership, information technology, confidence increase in ourselves, team preparation skill is process. Reference: manufacturing process book and R.K. Rajput reference book.